सब साथ में आ जाइए सर. Look here. Look center. Yes, thank you.
अरे रुक जा, थैंक यू क्यों बोल?
थैंक यू मत बोलो.
Okay.
Yes, stand. Yes.
हाँ, आप भी हाथ रखिए. Yes.
Once again,
Okay.
Dr. Saab, with
Yes.
best wishes.
Thank you.
May everyone who come here get healed.
Thank you. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया.
ओके आशीष, तीसरा रिबन.
कहाँ से लाएंगे?
हाँ ठीक.
Thank you.
Yes, ready? Now look at center. Smile. Look here, sir.
Very nice.
You've already seen, but also going beyond that into the whole way the services have been arranged and the patient flow will shape up. So that in that sense is the common theme across both these departments. So if you look at gastro, we've got dedicated consulting rooms, we've got endoscopy rooms, we've got a dedicated daycare unit. Along with this, we've got top-notch medical infrastructure and equipments. And what this allows us to do is to do a wide variety of both diagnostic and therapeutic procedures there itself. और अगर हम देखें तो पिछले कई सालों में जैसे मेडिकल साइंस में एवोल्यूशन हुआ है, हम जिस तरह से बीमारियों का इलाज करते हैं उसमें बदलाव आया. तो पहले जो चीज ठीक करने के लिए हमको बड़ा सर्जरी करना पड़ता था, आज वही चीज छोटा स्मॉल इंसिजन या मिनिमल इन्वेजिव तरीके से कर सकते हैं. उसी प्रकार से पहले कई बीमारियों का जिनके लिए हमको सर्जरी करना पड़ता था, आज उनका बिना ऑपरेशन के इलाज हो जाता है. सो दैट इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ द एंडोस्कोपी डिपार्टमेंट वर्क्स. वो दूरबीन के माध्यम से हम कई सारी बीमारियों का सिर्फ डायग्नोसिस जांच ही नहीं कर सकते, पर उनका हम इलाज भी कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू लुक एट कैंसर, the harsh reality today is that the incidence of cancer is rising in our country. So that puts a lot of strain on everybody. And to add to that, one is being suddenly hit by the news that you're suffering from an illness like cancer. The other thing is then having to immediately worry about what will happen to my family. Someone who will accompany the patient all through the journey, the consultation. You need any treatment done, you've got the daycare unit there, medicines required, again the pharmacy there itself can dispense all of that. And it doesn't just stop at the medical treatment, because what we call is there's that outer ring of that which nobody looks at. So along with that, we've got a dedicated counselor, a psychologist who helps you with all of this. We all know nutrition plays a very important role in the recovery. So we've got a dedicated onco nutrition department. We'll have a genetic counselor who helps you to figure out what can be done and what the exact treatment should be for that particular disease. And then again, it doesn't stop there. It moves on to the rehab. It moves on to the prosthesis store that we saw. So what we've tried to do is cover everything the patient and their family would require. So with this, the aim of the hospital is we've always strived to wanting to have a bigger impact on this.
I always tell people that people have heard of heart disease because they feel if the heart stops, then we are gone. But they forget that there are 7-8 organs where the probability of something going wrong is very high. And they are not aware about it. I see patient with pancreatitis and they say, ये pancreas क्या होता है? मैं बोला यही तो problem. लोगों को heart के बारे में पता है, पर pancreas के बारे में पता नहीं. So we are trying to create a massive awareness campaign, as ma'am also said, that cancer prevention is the only way to cure cancer. And we are looking at preventive gastroenterology. I call preventive gastroenterology. Not just cancer, acidity, gas, indigestion, so many other digestive problems. All this can be avoided, provided you bring some amount of awareness. And as Mahima ji has mentioned, the way the gastroscience and the onco department has happened is the ambience, the technology, the infrastructure, the innovative spirit in the whole team. That has a lot to do, and life happens because of ambience. You have to understand that. You put a seed on a rock, nothing is going to happen. You give the right environment to that seed, and you will see something blooming beautifully. So it's about life happens because of ambience. And I think this is what we are trying to take forward. This will be a center of excellence, and I always say excellence is not the goal. Excellence is the baseline. We start at excellence. Okay? So that's the way it goes. Secondly, most importantly, as ma'am also said, with a human touch. I think what has happened is that people have forgotten that they are treating a patient who is a human being, not just an IPD or OPD number. And this is how most hospitals are operating, unfortunately. So we need to bring about that personal touch, and I'm sure our team will definitely help us there. We also look forward to making this particular hospital as a beacon of education and training for the whole planet, not just Mumbai, India or Asia. So in gastro sciences, we will be beaming live some of the procedures and some case capsules, which will be educative material for doctors all across the world. And this is where I'm thankful to Dr. Narayani. When I joined this hospital about 2.5 years ago, she promised me that yes, we will come out with a state-of-the-art GI institute. And I'm extremely thankful for making this happen for all of us.
Organizers for giving me this opportunity. I'm thankful to my thanks for coming. My job is the most difficult after such excellent speeches from all four people.
A very warm welcome to all of you all. A very warm welcome to Ms. Mahima Chaudhary for being here with us. It's actually been very wonderful इनके साथ interact करके हम इन जो हम इधर facility दिखा के इनके साथ जो बातचीत हम कर रहे थे. It's been a wonderful experience having you and interacting with you. So coming back, it's a very proud day for Fortis Mulund today, because we have 23 years of legacy of clinical excellence. 23 years have been focusing on good clinical work. More than good clinical work, it's also about compassion, creating trust, and a very big focus on community health. हर टाइम हम जब नया एक स्पेशलिटी का सोचते हैं, हम ऐसे ही कोई स्पेशलिटी में नहीं स्टार्ट करते. हम कम्युनिटी में जो रिक्वायरमेंट है, आज के दिन में कौन सा डिजीज का ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, वो सोच के हम हमारे स्पेशलिटी को बिल्डअप करते हैं. हेल्थ केयर में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है आजकल, आप सबको मालूम है. हेल्थ केयर बहुत डेवलप हो चुका है, डिजीजेस भी बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो गए हैं, पेशेंट्स एजुकेटेड हैं, उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस बढ़ गए हैं. तो ऐसे टाइम में हमारा जो स्टेप है, हम री इमेजिन कर रहे हैं हेल्थ केयर को, एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव ओपन दिस इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ Fortis Institute of Cancer and Fortis Institute of Gastro-Sciences, जहाँ हम सिर्फ डिजीज को नहीं ट्रीट करेंगे. It will be a comprehensive, holistic approach to diagnosis using the best of technology, a multidisciplinary expert clinical team who will work together to treat the patient and not just the disease, and clinical care with a human touch. आज के दिन में more and more specialties are becoming very customized, very patient specific. So हमारा endeavor इधर यही होगा कि हम जो treatment दें as far as possible patient के लिए customize करके दें. तो जो treatment मेरा होगा, वो treatment आपका होगा, उसमें अलग होगा, पर all expertise will be used to make it customized, and all other support services to make sure that patient comprehensively treat होता है, सिर्फ disease का cure नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे best technology, best doctors, best support system, best infrastructure. हमने बहुत कोशिश की कि patient cancer या कोई भी disease से डरे नहीं. वो आए, उनको ये ना लगे कि hospital में आना एक burden है, irritation है. एक एनवायरनमेंट हमने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से ऐसे क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की है कि वो आए, दे आर एट पीस एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली टेकन केयर ऑफ. एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन ऑल ऑफ दिस, while we would focus on clinical excellence, while we'll focus on innovation to bring the best with precision oncology, robotic surgical care, हम हर modality को patient के जरूरत के हिसाब से use करेंगे. तो जो multidisciplinary team रहेगा, ये हर patient का treatment plan करके patient wise उसको treatment देगा. Further, very big focus which we already started is on preventive health care. So whether it is gastrosciences or oncology, there will be a very big focus on prevention of diseases, so that educating the community and doing preventive care, we try and reduce as much as possible the disease burden. So we have taken a very big step today in partnership with our clinicians and the entire team which works in this hospital, and our entire focus and pledge is to make this facility available to more and more in the community and provide the best of health care.
दो रिपीट काटने से काम चलेगा या और भी आगे रिपीट कटने चाहिए?
मैं तो चाहूँगी कैंसर केसेस हो ही नहीं किसी को, तो मेरी तो यही ख्वाहिश होगी कि और रिबन नहीं काटने पड़े.
हमें रिपीट जोड़ना है.
हाँ, रिबन जोड़ना है. बट आई थिंक कैंसर केसेस बिकॉज ऑफ पोल्यूशन, मुझे लगता है हर चीज़ में, चाहे वो हमारे सांस लेने में पोल्यूशन है, खाना खाने में, तेल में, और हमारी लाइफस्टाइल डिफरेंट हो गई है. जैसे डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा, कोई भी सुबह 6 बजे नहीं उठता, सूरज के पास नहीं जाता, सनलाइट नहीं मिलती, कोई भी आई थिंक 12 से पहले सोता नहीं है. तो हम लोग जो लोग पहले कर रहे थे, हमारे माता पिता जो कर रहे थे, उस तरह से कोई नहीं जी रहा है आज. बच्चे भी, छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी लेट नाइट तक पढ़ते हैं, गेम्स खेलते हैं, सोशल मीडिया पर हैं, टीवी देखते हैं. दूरदर्शन बंद हो जाता था, 7 बजे शुरू होता था, आई थिंक 9-10 बजे बंद हो जाता था. सो देयर वाज नथिंग टू डू, सो वी वेंट टू स्लीप. सो आई थिंक हमारी पूरी लाइफस्टाइल चेंज हो गई है. सो देयर आर लॉट मेनी केसेस. अगर हम लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करेंगे, I think it will come down and we will not need to open more onco centers, hopefully.
ये जो सवाल है इसका मैं आपको एक जवाब ऐसे देती हूँ कि ट्रीटमेंट हम चाहते हैं कि पेशेंट को बेस्ट मिले. हम फोकस, हमने जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला, हम ज़्यादा एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन करेंगे प्रिवेंशन में, ताकि उनको प्रॉब्लम ना हो और डिजीज़ ना डेवलप हो. लेकिन अगर किसी को आ गया, हाँ जरूर है कि पेशेंट को फाइनेंशियल चिंता होती है, पर हम इस बात का एश्योरेंस दे सकते हैं कि हम बेस्ट ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट देंगे, द बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड जो कहीं भी आपको मिल सकता है देंगे, एट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट कॉस्ट. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि फ्री ट्रीटमेंट होगा, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि सब कुछ डिस्काउंट होगा, क्योंकि वो बोलना सही नहीं रहेगा. हम बेस्ट के लिए जब चाहते हैं तो थोड़ा खर्चा तो आता है, लेकिन ये हमारा अश्योरेंस है कि जो पेशेंट को लगेगा कि जो खर्चा हुआ वो उसमें बहुत वैल्यू मिला और लाइफ में बहुत फ़र्क पड़ा. और ये हर चीज़ के लिए जब हम बता रहे हैं होलिस्टिक ट्रीटमेंट होगा, काउंसलिंग भी हम पेशेंट के साथ बैठ के उनको समझाएंगे कि कैसा ट्रीटमेंट है, कितना खर्चा आएगा, तो कि वो उसका भी वो प्लानिंग कर सके, तो वो भी ट्रीटमेंट का हिस्सा बन जाएगा. तो इसलिए ये घबराहट नहीं होनी चाहिए.
मैं यहाँ एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगी कि आई थिंक हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस सबके पास होना चाहिए. हम सब सोचते हैं मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ, औरों के साथ हो रहा है. आपको पता है कोई भी गाड़ी आप रोड पे नहीं चला सकते अगर उसका इंश्योरेंस नहीं लिया है आपने, वो जुर्म है. लेकिन हम लोग चल फिर रहे हैं. बहुत सारे लोग होंगे यहाँ जिनके पास इंश्योरेंस नहीं होगा. किसके पास इंश्योरेंस नहीं है? हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस नहीं है ना? नहीं है? हाथ ऊपर उठाओ. क्यों नहीं है? लाइफ इंश्योरेंस नहीं, मैं हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस की बात कर रही हूँ. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में तो फायदा किसी और को होता है, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस में आपके काम आएगा. प्लीज़ जिसने भी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस नहीं लिया, लीजिए. अभी तो हमारी सरकार ने भी कितना, आई थिंक 5 लाख तक का किया है. सो प्लीज़ एवरीबडी, या प्लीज़ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लेके रखो. डोंट थिंक कि मैं प्रीमियम भरने से मतलब इतना प्रीमियम नहीं होता. प्लीज़ आप लोग हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ज़रूर लीजिए, जिसने भी नहीं लिया है.
You say please go home. जितना टाइम होता है just enjoy your life. We don't have much to offer you. And लोगों का माइंड में भी क्या था? सर्जरी हो गया, बस सर्जरी के बिना तो कुछ है ही नहीं ऑन्कोलॉजी में. सर्जन्स जो कर दिया, सर्जरी हो गया. That was what the thought process was there. नहीं, nothing to me. Because surgeon. But over these last 30 years, or 20 years, I would say, last 20 years, what I have seen, things have evolved a lot. Oncology, where now it's reverse. 70 to 80% of the patients come to us, we say there is some treatment options for you. Why this is possible? This is possible because अभी जो treatment है उसको हम precision treatment बोलते हैं, precision oncology बोलते हैं. Precision है, as ma'am said, the right treatment for the right person at the right time. That is what is basically precision oncology, and that is what we are following. And because now we have 70% of the time when we treat the patient, the journey is long, the survival has improved. Once upon a time, lung cancer patient when they used to come to us, we would say, if they are above 65 also, I am not above 65, they used to say 65 years के ऊपर हुआ, our bosses used to say advanced disease है, भगवान उसको घर भेज दो, उनको अब ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे, बेचारे गांव से आए हैं, we may lose them here, उससे अच्छे लेते हैं in the environment. अभी हमारे पास 90 years के पेशेंट को भी हमने दिया है इम्यूनोथेरेपी. So things have evolved that much. तो अभी ये सब 70-80% जो पेशेंट हमारे पास आते हैं, God willing they live long. They have got so many doubts in their mind. छोटा सा फोड़ी भी आ गया, they will say कैंसर तो नहीं आ गया ना? Because many of them are staying with the disease. So remember that they are staying with the disease. And diabetes के जैसे शुगर बढ़ता है, चलो थोड़ा disease ऊपर आएगा, we give some change the treatment, again they survive God willing. Again they have a good quality of life. तो ये सब पेशेंट के लिए बहुत इमोशनल टर्मोइल भी रहता है. कुछ little bit up and down हो जाता है. So what ultimately we have to see that we should give them a good physical and mental well-being. That is good health. What is good health? It's just not physical. और ये mental well-being के thought process के लिए they have done an excellent job. We have got counselors, we have got everything here. सबको डर रहता है, मुझे तो कैंसर हुआ, मेरी बेटी को होगा क्या? तो उसके लिए genetic counselors हैं हमारे पास. So we have got everything under one roof. And this जो journey रहता है, अभी ऐसा I don't know, but cardiac क्योंकि one time episode हमारा तो पूरा journey है कैंसर. सबको डर रहता है बीमारी वापस आएगी, ये आएगा, वो सबका that thought process is always there. So it's a big long time journey. तो उसमें apart from precision oncology, you have to be a common sense oncology. Common sense use करना है और patient को relief देना है कि नहीं अभी आपको कुछ नहीं हुआ, जब होगा तभी देखेंगे. So this is it's a combination of precision oncology and I would say common sense oncology that should work. And I promise you, we'll do our work, we'll do the best, ma'am. What is possible, we should be doctors with mind, heart and soul. That is the way to go ahead.
सब लोग का प्रेशर है तो ऊपर से
हाँ वही कर रहा हूँ. Look here, ma'am.
महिमा जी सेंटर.
Ma'am, look here, center. Okay.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
One thing common between madam and me. 2005 I had blood cancer, acute myeloid leukemia, and the textbooks mention that life survival is 2.5 years. 20 years past, I'm still alive.
Oh wow.
Just two things for the media I wanted to say, just to congratulate Madam Mahima ji. And she said that the treatment in India many times is much better than the abroad. And I experienced that. In fact, I developed blood cancer when I was studying in Cleveland Clinic, Ohio, which is one of the best cardiac institutes in medicine. But I came back came here not just because my friend and classmate Dr. Rajan Badwe was the director of Tata Cancer, but because I knew that Indian doctors are better. My treatment was started and then I talked to my dear friend who is an onco physician in Philadelphia, and he said, Rajiv, you are not getting the right kind of treatment. You are getting oral treatment, you are getting this, any corner of USA, you go from this corner to that corner, you just get 3+7 standard treatment of hydroxyrabinoside and then doxorubicin. you're getting something wrong. But later on I came to know that when I came here, I was so bad. I had pneumonia, I had blood cancers, I had no fighting cell, what is called as neutrophil or white cell in the body. All were blast cells, which are the cancer cells. So what I was given was a very precision treatment. Dr. Bowman never said, we work for precision, we go for the patient friendliness. We look at the patient, what he will bear with, what he can accept as a treatment. And then I was given a kind of treatment which was just a mild treatment to bring up go down the blast cells, bring up the fighting cells. In the meanwhile, my pneumonia get cured. And then this kind of treatment was not possible in USA because they go by guidelines. If you don't give the treatment what is in the guideline, they can be sued medically. But here, we have faith in the doctors that what Dr. Bowman is saying, he must be thinking good about it. So that is the difference between foreign countries and our countries. And then that's why our doctors can also do better because of the faith. They do little go out of the box to think and give the treatment. And I got the right kind of treatment, and 20 years down the line, I'm alive. I'm still doing interventional work in cardiology. So that is thanks to Indian doctors and Indian
Nice.
अवेयरनेस तो कैंसर में अवेयरनेस है वो इतना भी नहीं है क्राउड में you don't see that much awareness. When I was working in Sion Hospital as a registrar, छोटे बच्चे लोग चेस्ट पे लेके आ जाते थे और बोलते थे मुझे सर कार्डियक प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है ना. So that was awareness people had 30 years back. Means every admission I used to get 7 patients with some not very cardiac problem but बेचारे चेस्ट में लेके आ जाते थे. We used to keep them for observation. तो वैसा था. Yeah, patients come to us at this age also and at this stage also occasionally, of course, now much less than what I used to see earlier. Huge breast masses, huge diseases, extensive metastatic disease. So education is very, very important. As Dr. Rathore told us, pain है उसका मतलब disease नहीं. तो छोटा सा pain है हो रहा है, pain नहीं है, कुछ किया ही नहीं हमने. अभी pain होने में इसके लिए आए. तब तक तो बहुत advance हो जाता है. So patient education, passing the message that oncology is also very important. I would think as a student life में they should have some sessions of education in health medicine where they should be told what is this, how things can be prevented, what are the screening procedures. ये सब चीज़ can make a whole change. Of course, our oncology treatment has made a big change, but it has not eradicated the disease many times. It has some stage 4 only. Both patients we have cured, we have done so much good work, and this is all because of this exact treatment for the right patient at the right time, as Dr. Karnik told us. So here we of course go out of the way to treat what is the best for the patient. We try to do this in India. In India we can do that. I worked in many countries. I worked in Kuwait, I worked in USA, I was there, where things are totally different. The trust, all these things we can see only in India.